Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to put more focus to your CTA buttons in Figma using the plugin called Predict. I'm gonna start off by drawing a square around my CTA button to see the exact amount of attention that the button grabs. I'm then going into my plugins and choosing the Neurons Predict plugin. Then I'm gonna analyze my image to see the predict score. The CTA button only grabs 1.8% of the attention on the whole ad, and that's a bit too low. To fix this, I'm going to remove all disturbing elements. I'm also going to make the button a little bit bigger and change the color so it's darker and it stands out more, and also change the text color. When I feel ready to test my design again, I'm simply going to draw another square around my CTA button, and then I'll run a new prediction. From the new prediction, I can actually see that my new CTA button grabs 11.8% of the attention, which is a lot better than the other one. It's great to finally have a plugin that I can work with directly in Figma, so I can test my designs along the way and get the best results possible. Thank you for watching.